Okay, in this tutorial we will discuss how to model this. Um, First of all, we need to import these images in front of me here in 3D Max. We will go to File and View Image File. Then I will choose the image that maybe represent the most of gun, because I need to put it here and work in views. After that, I will start managing my views. Then I will put plan on top, and from front I press F bottom from keyboard to get front. Then I need another one. I will press shift and rotate I can select all by control and press control and select this plan. Then I will rotate it 90 degree. Now I adjust the images. I will put the images in these plans to see front and back and left and other views. Before I put the images, I can select all plans and right click object properties. Then I select pack face skull. When I select that, I will see the front of plan only. Then when I model this, I can see this image. If I model in another way, I can see the other image. So now we can select the front, these images. This is the back one, front, top, and left and right. So I will select the top one, then I put it in the plan like this. This is back, this is front, this left, and right. I will adjust this by putting UVW map. By putting UVW map here and select bitmap fit, and then I will select this. Bitmap fit, then I will select this. UVW map, and I will select bitmap fit and select the other one. Here, UVW map, bitmap fit. Now you select this back one, and I will select UVW map, bitmap fit, and select front. And this UVW map, and select bitmap fit, and select top. Okay, now this pack, the pack will be here, and we need to rotate this and this and this like this. So first of all, I need to check that I am right. I will go to pack view from here, back. Then I press G to hide the grid. After that, I will check if my model is right or wrong. I will put 8, and then I can rotate a little bit to adjust it to the images. Then I increase the radius. I will take shift, copy, and I will put little bit radius, small radius. This is only for test. I need to adjust all images to this one. I will click shift and scale to make this one. Right click, convert to edit spline to the big one, because I need this pivot to be in the center of this. Then I will attach the 2 parts. I will select the spline and Boolean and union. Then I will select that. After that, I will make circle by selecting snap, pivot. Then I can now select this circle, I will draw this circle and then snap this circle to this. I'll put it like this. Okay, now I can attach this part, this circle with this part and this angle. After that, I will extrude all of this. I'll come here, move this part and adjust this part with the left one in the front. Press F3 I'll never move this part. Okay, in the back, maybe I can't adjust the back view with this part. I will go to back, go to left view. In the left view, this part is okay, but maybe I need to scale this image a little bit. If you select this one and put Alt X, you can see through, or if you want to see through more than this, right click Object Properties, then this visibility, make it 0.1. okay, now I see this part here. Okay, it's a good adjustment with this part. Maybe I will increase this a little bit more and move this part. I'll move this part here, then I will increase that. Okay, from the top we need to adjust the size of that. I will select the gizmo of the top one and I will decrease this by scaling, increase a little bit to acquire the image. It's okay. Left view okay, top view okay, front view not okay because we move it this one, so can go to back view. Okay, the front and back moved. I can select this one and this and go to back view to adjust it. It's okay. This top one okay, front one okay, left one okay. I need to go right and adjust the image. If I select this image and go to gizmo of UVW map, I need to scale the gizmo. Maybe that's okay. In this part of video, we adjust the images to start model.